Thank you so much for
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here at County Court at Law Number 2. You have been asked to come to court today because you have a case on our docket. When I call your name, would you please come forward with your attorney? If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you're not represented by an attorney, then when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1276. Case is filed the state of Texas versus David Alejandro Luna Galvan. Mr. Luna Galvan, is that your, Mr. Luna Galvan is represented in his case by his attorney, Attorney B. Eric Franklin. Attorney Franklin, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. It's been brought to the court's attention that Mr. Luna Galvan speaks some English, but he also speaks Spanish. We have our Spanish interpreter, Ms. Jennifer Araji. Ms. Araji, how are you doing?
Good, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Araji, well, you're welcome. Ms. Araji, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Araji, do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Raji, ask Mr. Luna Galvan if his full name is David Alejandro Luna Galvan.
Su nombre completo es David Alejandro Luna Galvan.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Ask Mr. Luna Galvan to raise his right hand. Okay, Mr. Galvan, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to every God?
Yes.
Okay, you can tell him, he can put his hand down. Ask Mr. Galvan how he's doing.
¿Cómo está? Good.
Good?
Thank you.
Okay, that's good. Now, Mr. Galvan, I have before me, well, before we get started, Mr. Franklin, do you waive a record in Mr. Galvan's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Galvan, I have before me on my document, well, on my computer, a document that is titled information. In this information, it alleges that you, David Alejandro Luna Galvan, could, on March 22nd of 2025, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft. Do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Galvan, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials, DL on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, eso firma ahí. Yes.
At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Mr. Galvan, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did he go over these documents with you in Spanish and English?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Judge.
Salem States one.
Any objections to state's exhibit number one?
No, Your Honor.
No objection, state's exhibit number one will be admitted. Mr. Franklin, you've advised and counseled Mr. Galvan. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Galvan, your attorney, Mr. Franklin, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Galvan, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What is the agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea, the state's offering 9 months for $250 fine, 40 hours community service at full cost.
What is his court cost? Okay. Mr. Galvan, the state is offering that you serve 9 months deferred adjudicated probation.
Él está repartiendo 9 meses de prensa.
During the 9-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250.
Pero esos 9 meses tiene que pagar pago de 250.
You'll be required to pay court costs of $277.
Y 5 son por 7.
You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month. You'll be required to pay a urinalysis fee of $15 a month. And you'll be required to pay a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $152 a month. Will you be able to pay the $152 each month?
$152 cada mes por 9 meses. Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Galvan, do you understand the state's offer?
Y después el primero que está, primero está. Yes.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Y pienso que es justo lo que está.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Galvan, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Galvan, if you successfully complete the probationary period,
pasando. Si usted termina todo bien,
This case will be dismissed.
ok, y termina.
It will not result in a conviction on your record,
Y
and you may qualify for non-disclosure, where your record will be sealed to the general public.
ahorita, cuando se termine todo bien, lo puede observar en este caso como se ve pasó.
You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure
Y usted puede con su abogado de esa información
because he's quite competent in those matters.
y se lo puede.
Okay. Good. Please stand at the end of that table and follow the directions of the bailiff. Okay, and you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're gonna have to, Mr.
Like you want to be safe.
Okay, this is, cause number 25 CCCR 0422, case is styled the state of Texas versus Albert Green. And Mr. Green, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Green? That's good. Mr. Green, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Alwyn Samuel. Samuel, how you doing?
I'm great, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Samuel, what's your announcement in Mr. Green's case?
Your Honor, we have, discovery, we have an offer. We'd like to set it for, on the plea time.
Please. Give us a date. You're gonna set it on the plea docket.
September 15th.
Well, he's checking.
Just checking.
Yeah. You say 15th or 22nd? Uh, 15th is fine.
Okay, this case will be reset for a plea on September 15th of 2025. Mr. Green, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please stand before the court coordinator. Next case is clause number 25 CCCR 0346. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Ashley T. Robinson. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0346. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Ashley T. Robinson. Mr. Robinson, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Robinson? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Robinson. You're represented case by Attorney Alvin Samuel. Mr. Samuel, what's your announcement in Mr. Robinson's case?
This is our first setting. We visited with the prosecutor. I have motion discovery. We'd like, one additional setting, make a decision.
Okay, same date?
That's
What?
fine.
Okay.
15th, yes.
Okay, so this case will be reset to September 15th, 2025. Mr. Robinson, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Samuel, I think these are your only two cases. You're
Yes.
free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
You're welcome.
And I'll put you.
Michael Eugene Livingston. Would you please come forward? This is cause number 25 CCCR 0648. Case style of state of Texas versus Michael Eugene Livingston. Mr. Livingston, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Livingston?
Okay, are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Livingston, you represented in your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska. Attorney Matuska, how are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
And Mr. Matuska, what is your announcement in Mr. Livingston's case?
Your Honor, I'm asking for one more announcement setting to finish the discovery. I have received some of it, but I'm still waiting a little bit more. I just talked to the prosecutor. about it.
Give us a reset date, 15th. This case will be reset to September 15th, 2025. Mr. Livingston, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Matuska, is this your only case?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Just, maybe it's police report. Your signature for the did.
Yeah, just fine.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 0506. Case is style of state of Texas versus Darren Carter. Mr. Carter, is that your full name?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Carter, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Carter, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Mr. Carter, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Carter?
Fine, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Carter, you're representing your case by your attorney, Michael E. Turner. Attorney Turner, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge.
That's good. State is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Attorney Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Turner, do you waive a record in Mr. Carter's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Carter, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Darren Carter, on or about April 2nd of 2024, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense to drive while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Carter, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, how do you plead? Not guilty? You pleading guilty? Now you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Because I am guilty.
Okay. Mr. Carter, I also have before me a document on my tablet that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
I do.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials, DC. They are on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
That is my signature.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Sir, I do.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
I have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
I do.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
That
Defendant?
is my signature.
Mr. Carter. Uh-oh.
Acknowledge.
Yeah. Mr. Carter, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
I do fully understand.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Carter, are you a citizen of the United States?
I am.
State Office State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Turner, you've advised and counseled Mr. Carter. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None, Your Honor.
And Mr. Carter, your attorney, Mr. Turner, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Most definitely, he has.
Mr. Carter, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 30 days county jail. Mr. Carter has credit for 1 day, and we'd ask that this sentence run concurrent with the sentence from cause number 25D CCR 0178.
What is this court cost? Mr. Carter, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for the 1 day that you have already served. The court cost in this case is $377. Are you able to pay the $377 court cost? Okay. Do we have a copy of the affidavit of indigence in this file?
Yeah.
Good job, check. Just hold on a minute. It doesn't, you have one up there? Okay, now, Mr. Carter. I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence.
Mhm.
Do you recognize this document?
Yes, I do.
Now, before you signed this document, did you read the document?
I do.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Carter, the court is gonna find that you're indigent. Based on the finding of indigence, the court cost of $377 will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. That means you won't have to pay it.
Do y'all address that mandatory fine for straight deed about convictions here, or some courts do, some courts don't address it?
Hold on a minute, let me see, okay. Yeah, because there is a mandatory fine for a straight conviction.
I would think that your finding of indigency would cover that as well, but I don't know whether y'all need to make some notation to that effect. I don't know how that works.
The only difference is, I think the finding of indigency in that regards is, I mean, they have a different, I think a different standard. This is just, what we do with the county, but I think there's another standard with regards to, the DW, finding of, indigency with regards to the,
The DPS man.
yeah, the DPS, right. That's there's a different way of doing that. The state.
I know y'all, as most courts, don't want to hear how other counties do it, but
Right.
Harris County, typically, they just make a finding that says, we're finding you indigent for the purpose of the.
Well,
DPS fine.
he's been found indigent, in this case for the purpose of the court loss.
My guess is if you
Now-
can't afford to pay $377, you can't afford to pay.
Well, I understand that,
No.
understand that.
But well, we can cross that bridge later. If it comes up, I may be reaching back out and saying,
Right.
Judge, we need to address this. If
Right.
DPS says.
Right, but he is, for all intents and purposes, he is indigent.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, at this time, because we just put on there, he does not have any income at all.
Right.
And obviously, he doesn't have any income.
Yeah,
Yeah, so if for all intents and purposes, he is indigent.
correct. And I know the court's correct that there is a separate indigency.
Right.
Evaluation process,
But
but I don't know,
but if you think about it, if his income is zero,
he's gonna,
he'll be indigent under the other standard as well.
The immediate future.
If we go,
regardless of the test, it's gonna.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
so
okay,
the state has no objection to the court's finding of indigency.
okay. Okay, so no, you already have it labeled that he's been indigent. And the mandatory fine is waived. You'll put that in there, that is big.
Seizures, yeah, seizure.